Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. Let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down in order to find either the Google section or passwords and accounts. I prefer this one, so let me use it. And here in the accounts for owner we've got this option add account, so let's tap on it. Then tap on Google and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Here in this tab you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone in this section, so let me quickly do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so let's tap on it to read it and then tap on I agree. Okay, as you can see, we have to be patient. Here we've got the section with the backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, we can also remove it whenever we want to. Just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that would be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.